Hi, my name is Avinash Krishnani. I'm the founder of Rewarder Global. Rewarder is a intelligent cloud-based application that is perfectly suited for small to medium businesses in retail and hospitality. It is simple to use and a secure platform and can be accessed from any device at any time without the fear of losing any data. I was looking for application support and maintenance, and I came across Captain Juice Technologies. They did thorough planning and executed all the tasks within the time frame. Their team is fantastic, and in fact, they also added more members to their team to finish the tasks on time. I'm extremely happy, and then they're just a call away, even outside working hours, and that is very, very incredible. I have no hesitation to refer Captain Juice to my friends or colleagues who need technical support.